Hello, welcome to a new unit in a new week. We are starting Unit 2, Getting a Job. We are in our sixth week of class. Remember, we are in this new unit, Unit 2, Getting a Job. You click here, and then you see Week 6, Looking for a Job for this week, March 15th to the 19th. Let's see what you have to do for today. Day 1, Monday, March 15th. First, you'll watch this video. Then you'll click Async. You have two activities in Ink. The first activity is a grammar lesson on run-on sentences and conjunctions. You have been doing Nearpods for 5 weeks, so you have all become professionals. Type your name and click Join Session, and you will read and take notes. Read and take notes as always, all right? Read and take notes, read and take more notes, read and take more notes, keep going, and then you have a video to watch. After you watch the video, you click Next. Continue to read and take notes. Continue to read and take notes. And then this one is about conjunction. So you will click and drag to the correct box, and you click Done, and you move on. And then you'll play Time to Climb, and then you'll complete the quiz. You'll choose if it's a sentence, a fragment, or a run-on. And always remember to answer all of the questions. Okay. And then that's it. Okay, that's it for your first async assignment. Your second async assignment is to complete page 22, part 2A and B in your book. So here is the audio, and then you will, because you need the audio, so you'll listen to the audio and listen for the tips and then give details. So that's A and B. Take a picture and upload it in the comment section. And that's it for async. It's Monday. That means we have a Zoom class together. So we have a few things to do. We're going to talk about author's purpose and complete page 22, part 1. And that's it for today. Good luck.